Good evening.
Getting ready for a YouTube video.
Got to look sexy, innit?
For the good old camera. Hello guys and girls.
Hello.
Hello Carl.
Alright.
Hello Jim.
I'm very well, thank you.
Welcome to another Wheelie Goood video of another unboxing from a brand new company.
Click race.
Click Rates. Yeah, so this is another Click Rates. Another geek box that I look forward to opening. But I would like to say to everyone out there, please bear with me as I get these videos out, because it's not so easy for me to do stuff like this all the time and be as consistent as I want to be. I am aware that I'm not, but I promise you I'm trying.
Is it because you're busy or lazy or both?
More busy than lazy. You know.
So what is this then? Is it collectibles?
It's a collector's crate of geeky stuff. Welcome, Click Rates, to the portfolio of Wheelie Goood. And let's get to this, shall we? We have to do a thumbnail first as well. With it. On the box like that.
A thumbnail off our thumbnails. That's some weird Inception shit. Alright.
Yeah, there you go. Smile! Yee! I've already broken the seal.
I spy t-shirt.
Something green. Oh, Walking Dead. I see there somewhere. Let me guess. The Hulk.
I'm going to reserve judgment because I got mine royally wrong last time I did one of these. What's that?
He-Man? He-Man, I'm guessing, with hair like that. Hopefully there's a card in here that explains what each of these items are.
It's not quite as good a quality as the last one.
A soft star. I see something yellow. Pikachu.
Oh, come on, that's the thumbnail right there.
Pika Pika! Pikachu!
Sushi love, you should rock that.
Really?
Yeah, it might be too small for my head.
My head can't be bigger than yours.
I have an insufferable ego.
Shakes you more.
Hello!
Pika Pika.
Quite well made though, it's like...
It's official.
Yeah.
Straight from Japan.
I might be completely retarded, but are Pokemon still a big thing?
Don't you remember Pokemon Go?
Yeah, no, yeah, I guess so, yeah. Well, that was weird though, because people started getting murdered.
Yeah.
Anyway, sorry. Following invisible things and then getting stabbed. So there's that.
Walking Dead statue of Daryl Dixon.
That's right.
This would look good on my shelf. Where is this from? It's a Wacky Wobbler.
Do you follow Walking Dead?
I don't.
No, I must admit, I think
it's from Funko.
I think they flogged that horse to death. I got bored at around season 5.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on there.
Now people always say seasons 1 and 2 were the best.
Yeah.
But then it's quite a big statue. Quite a big thing.
Yeah, they're quite good quality products, aren't they?
Yeah. I love figures like these, man. Give me some more. What?
There's another one, isn't there?
Look. Ooh!
Have you only just noticed?
Tom!
It's been there grinning at you the whole... You're like, fuck this shit, what's this?
Tom?
Attention she does not pay.
Tom?
Yeah?
You know how much I love Harley Quinn.
Yes, I know. I thought you were going to throw
This
the thing
is
out the
another
box
from
and grab
Funko itself. I am going to open this and display this proudly on my shelf of figurines. Come on out, honey. Come on. You know you want to. Oh my god! Tom! I am the happiest person alive right now.
it. I don't get these head things, man.
Wow. She's nice looking.
Finding this box a bit challenging.
I know that. One of these days I will give you guys a tour of my collection. That's Harley Quinn. I am so happy about that.
Funko are the ones who do those really cutesy kind of ones, aren't they?
And the ones that you hate.
Yeah, so have they got different series that look different? Or?
Yeah. They do different variations because they realise that not everyone likes those
Yeah.
static small figures of
Big Ed.
big head and small body. Ooh, Batman keyring with a bottle opener.
It's a multi-tool, it's not just a keyring.
Do you like it? Do you want to keep it?
One multi-tool keychain including a bottle opener, crosshead screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver.
Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah.
Mine.
Now, I'm not a Star Wars fan. Oh, not even Star Wars. Is this Star Wars? Or is this Doctor Who? Doctor Who.
Is this Doctor Who, she says.
I didn't see the tag.
One of the seminal characters of Doctor Who, admittedly
See, I don't
very
watch
cheesily.
Doctor Who. I don't.
Apparently, wait a sec, it talks. Wait a minute.
Exterminate! Exterminate!
Oh, that's fantastic.
You would make a good Dalek! Exterminate! Exterminate! You would make a good Dalek!
It's only one catchphrase.
Exterminate! Exterminate! You would make a good Dalek!
Okay, that's getting annoying now. Don't use that against me either. I have
It
something
doesn't look like a
else.
Dalek at all, but okay.
It's a plushie. What else?
Exterminate!
Shut up!
You would make a good Dalek! Exterminate!
Tosh.
I'm amassing quite a good selection of good things here. Bang.
Finally, we have a wallet slash bag thing.
BB-8 the Star Wars reference.
Yes, it is.
Because it's got Star Wars on it.
Yes. I kind of like the way he looks as a figure. I think he would look good as a Funko figure or a Kid Robot figure, but I don't like Star Wars
I'm
in
just
general.
not up on the Star Wars thing.
That's it for this box.
That's pretty good.
No legend, unfortunately.
Some pretty
but
solid stuff, although there's definitely some eBay fodder on here, I think.
yeah, the figures are fantastic. I love them.
I love it.
Pretty quality stuff in this box.
Would make a good Dalek!
Okay.
The Pikachu cap. Now here there. It's cute. I'd take it. Emir would probably wear that actually because he loves Pikachu. The T, I'm guessing, is still He-Man.
Yeah, I reckon so.
Yeah. I like this box.
It's alright.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's got maybe a few less
Stuff.
stuff in it, but the things they do have are pretty solid
Yeah.
or fun.
Yeah.
Uh,
And it's a 20 quid box. I mean,
that's not bad. They've obviously got some, I was going to say deal, but it's probably, they find some certain stuff maybe from Loot Crate and stick it in there, which is a little bit cheeky. I don't know how that works.
But overall, I'm impressed with this box. Do you prefer this box to the other one? The Gear box?
That was pretty good. So yeah, this it's metal as well.
Yeah, it is metal. I told you it's metal. Careful though, because that thing is sharp.
So we have a man's best friend. Bottle opener.
He's a Batman fan.
A Batman fan.
I'm a Batman fan!
I'm a Batman fan too. Where's the screwdriver?
It's...
Oh, they're actually the wings of the thing.
Yes! Look.
I don't know how I feel about that, guys. It's a bit gimmicky.
I love this. I love this. I love this. I'm a huge Harley Quinn fan. Guys, keep that in mind. I love Harley Quinn. If you want to continue to impress me, continue to put products like this in this box. That will be your incentive for me to stay. Yeah. Do you want to end the video?
Exterminate! Exterminate! You would make a good Dalek.
See you guys. Signing off.